Jai Shri Krishna Badaine. Let me introduce myself. From Kenya, my name is Nishit. Full name is Nishit Chotai from Kenya. I had a very, let's say, last year I came looking for a project, and I was not actually introduced, but I actually came across a company called Raj Innotech Limited. That was last year when I came here. Yes, I had a very good experience, by the way. People are very friendly. I was given a very good advice. The company's name is here, Raj Innotech Limited. Last year, I was not very sure where I was supposed to buy the machineries. I went to a few places. I went to Ahmedabad, I went to Pune, I went to Mumbai as well. I took some time. I saw some project details for each and every company. I was actually convinced that this could probably turn out to the best company, that is Raj Innotech, but I wasn't sure yet. So I went back to Kenya. I revisited all my quotations, all the specifics of the machineries, everything. Now come 2026, I'm back here confirming all the machineries with Raj Innotech. I got a very good piece of advices from the gentleman called Mr. Kishan, and I even met Mr. Sanjay Bhai, who is actually the MD for the company. He actually sat with me. He gave us a very good piece of advice, what machineries to buy, what size of the machineries to buy, and all those important information we need for the purchase of the machineries. Sorry, I forgot to add one more point. This is a very important point. I went to other people's, as I mentioned before, that I went to some other places, and for that matter, what I saw here in this factory, Raj Innotech itself, other factories do outsource the machineries. But when I physically went to Raj Innotech's, the go down where the manufacturing process is, they are actually making the machines themselves. Yeah, so their know-how of the machineries is much more higher than other companies. They do not outsource from somewhere. They do themselves, and they produce and manufacture themselves with the actual metal, with the actual, the actual stainless steel or whatever the composition for the metal or everything it is. It's too good, and I will suggest most of the people who wants to buy machineries to please come here, see themselves and see what they are doing before making any further decisions. Finally, on the parting shot, I would say that yes, I am going for this Raj Innotech Limited, buying the machinery, confirming the machinery from them, and hopefully, if all goes well, God bless, we should go ahead with this project. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Jai Shri Krishna.